Why must we fear any foe? Why? Look at what is happening. Guys, this is the TEF. The TEF tomorrow will not be different from what we are standing on today. Let's do it.
All Black Stars arise. Be ruthless and don't be timid. We are the stars of Africa. We never say die.
Ubusuafo ya mamo akwaba biom edabati akre multimedia meeting ede ata bafo jamra utumi efreme doriya king ende agudie mu nsem a ekutwi kobrema ena TRK multimedia de eba besomo ende de insefo be se enan na yene mo be discuss ni edi kan eye former Black Stars coach oye Ghana ni osanso ekochi Sudan James Kwesi Appiah was step aside a free he ende ye de ni na ebebremo ena ye sahene Black Stars skipper Andre Dede Ayu Morgan onoso wenya new club ehimfa na okọ na NS Nuamah ho abensem nsem bi aba NS Nuamah ho de bia ye ka but as a players in ebinum si no mpeso mbobọ no saa no mpeso mbọ no nsem be na aba ye de beso mo ena players no so ahyasie ravo sisi akra de am ze camp kra ayefo eno so ye de hu nsem na ebebromo CAF issue later be concerning KWESI APPIAH's resignation and also ya de bebremo. Be somewhere if today happen to be the first time I would see and I say unsubscribe ya bombarding so be subscribe to this very channel TRK Multimedia we are na share na bibia kama na msaso kama say Vasca freelancers omo no mbo yichidom na this adwumedie ebremo enko bebia mayensema enko jenkrato ye baba sisia.
Hold on a moment. Are you in need of a web developer, SEO services, digital marketing, graphic design, or even on-site services like artist booking, handyman, house cleaning, and event services? We've got you covered. Save yourself the stress of searching. Let us get you the professionals who can provide you with high-quality services for your business and your needs at an affordable price. Freelance experts, screened by Vasca, are prepared to provide you with exactly what you need, whether you are searching for online services or on-site services. Your satisfaction is guaranteed since our trusted experts wait to be paid until you give your final approval. Know exactly what you pay upfront with no hidden fees, whether your project requires a fixed or even hourly. Your dedicated Vasca support personnel is at your service 24/7. So place your service with confidence. Your expert freelancer is waiting to complete your work right now. Vasca, expect quality, pay less.
Yo, obusafo yamamo akwaba biom TRK multimedia. Shasia free former Black Stars coach and there or your coach Edema Sudan James Kwesi Appiah or your Ghana need this year. And there was step aside from the duty as GFA school member. Na day December na ba ye ntia ema o step aside no. And then many Dominic Obo owo Ghana oyejuma ma GBC Radio Central Cape Coast. Ono na yene no eba betwetwe sa nkomoyi. Miso bebre Mr. Wasine edi kankan na se subscribe ya bombodi so be subscribe. Na we wasumi ye no wetie nsem no. Dominic akwaba.
Ahmed.
Dominic owo.
Yeja. Mo hapa bia.
Yo, yede yami ase. Dominic, anopay ye sorry yet nsem ananka mihu nsem no in fact me shimi ntimi fi se Ghana yen ntia asem de but making kai mu wie na mihu se and said yen nsem bia emudo. Yankasa ye former Black Stars coach and osanso okochi Emma Sudan. Ye sorry anopay ya na yete yen se title no my main kind feel still breaking KWESI APPIAH steps down from GFA Executive Council. Nti ya kotokofo na ye dinechi no na ye hu ye ni ye remi hye ye bi tie pa ye say I didn't know I step down but ye kinka mu ni ye hu say the step down no temporary temporary one and yet permanent but you wanna work Ghana boye mu kakra na ye hu nearby ye ntia ema or step down.
Okay, I remember that you are really creative for multimedia and then first announce for Sabia and the BI yourself, Bomodia, Nako YouTube, not subscribe channel on my And so me as subscribe na one in white na only papo you say subscribe you no me out a bell notification ba beta na wa click no so say na dey dey put na e ba live bia na obetiki enka na uni edi juma ya do bia pa ba ti RK multimedia and when we nya se bia KWESI APPIAH for me part of management board for friend the Kotoko share abla Kotoko last na e bata no and of friend the share neta
me pa cho jina baby ye man kakra jina baby ye man kakra say wallahi no emu ye chichi kakra me to nka yeah
the is on the executive council no on the ticket of Obia Kumase Asante Kotoko ninki na o the otumpo de humanitarian and no on Kotoko yi ni say represent Kotoko our executive council no so in Jokoe but proud to Ghana Blasters match against Sudan our council executive council member and a CAF phone letter command say or kind a ban or ya Ghana no san ye no Sudan no san position bi o je fi hon e bi ana conflict of interest bi a status code that CAF di adwuma no san tia FIFA mra no o e ana otuma gono ho su ama Sudan fo na gono ni se Blasters ndai nti bi ngaba so ma Sudan fo na gono ho ni da Blasters yankundie ba ku di kan ana te on pini magana ko nyankundie nti conflict of interest in keepers CAF and FIFA status code no we nipa na anasa we nipa yi ntumi nyedwuma man yi no abra ebe ho sa nti pemra no ntumi nyedwuma sa nti emra no ma no kwan se on step it down so time ya bebo sa ya matches no evi and match ni go bi sa October but the we are e se mbeka ka gu ansana with me can reapply and then give Katama on the North to represent Kobia Commercial Council again on the executive council. In the time I say me CTA, the kind of was walk kind of the real thing or up to 8th October, that is tomorrow, to step aside before the game on 11th of October. So in this year, of course, one has a communication they from KWESI APPIAH. One man to KWESI APPIAH almost copy the Ghana Football Association as well. And almost copy Sudan Football Federation as well. Then they be both parties number 2 on what the NPA almost cap almost 10 say the next year almost sign and say Wapa Yubi. Then when they be there will be fairness in the game of football. And in China Omama we are KWESI APPIAH. And the quickly KWESI APPIAH only need aid. And KWESI APPIAH through his aid, the personal aid and personal assistance. That is Asante Fuku, who works at ATL FM in Cape Coast. I'm going to make sure you know quite be able to end in Komokata. I could say, do my about to attach to media of Betty and Asante Fuku be due to know with happy personal aid. And on the to say, oh, future this is the situation. I said, this is a letter on that basis. With happy resignation letter to me. He is a resign from the executive council, but he's stepping aside. November.
Okay.
Yeah, he's stepping aside until November. Until November, not the officer can be an Obama the new representative to represent the executive councillor. November and won't be determined. So the issue to enforce the income. 2.1 who can do 4% Nata or one got no to enforce the income. The commercial can go to work. Needing to move your DBCDR. The Baba dying. KWESI APPIAH Adolfo and Ghana football team for Nick Mato. The end of the I'm new to fly Nana Pay KWESI APPIAH has resigned, KWESI APPIAH has done this. That is what happened.
Okay.
One I would say, and I'm
okay. Yo, me da se bebre etie for na omunnim asem no ahyese no senia asem nete no KWESI APPIAH esum senia obo why explain no osum Ghana FA but osum Ghana FA through Kumasi Asante Kotoko and akwanya ba say okoye coach Edema Sudan but e ba sa no ontumi emfa ne pe nti okohu otumfo te koso na oji ni semishira otumfo te ka kire say wo ye menana wo ye mo ofase sebi ya opre ade Kotokoro na ye mo na bro wada say nti no say wo kwa kwaji sika nti say dia ba fie dia ebi beka wo ofase ebi beka minuano member nti no ebeka santeman so ene ebi kura ka Ghana nti kona kwagye no shira no te e ba sa no na se ye ne Sudan for pair na Ghana for ntiase ebinum kura se embribi o committee ma ye pamo no si abonte but na se mu na Dr. Randy Abe o ka se efibra KWESI APPIAH Sudan game no omba executive council meeting da ba minjindi because beto just said oba meeting kwa me ye pamo no nti eno de eno one of those things but ni echiru na KWESI APPIAH ka se enye se oyo stubborn ebinum se oyo stubborn e se no resign e fa asia no se da bi kama asem no bae no okoje otufo otekoso nsem nsira okosre no ntontumi emfa ne pe no sorry mfiri so ti se F4% resign de ndi omunko ho otufo mo ne nkakasa se omo ne nkakasa ayo so mo ne nkakasa odi yenim wala se intino we no kafofo so menji ndi se ombetumi asori a keke no ma cho letter ba menji se F4 na report ye menji ndi se omo be sori a no ma cho letter na ba se KWESI APPIAH onso mfiri so menji se F4 no report ye to omo report ye na ebia kafofo so atro abre KWESI APPIAH na letter omo de bre KWESI APPIAH no erimie kaf na da screen no so no o si Mr. James KWESI APPIAH Khartoum Sudan CC Ghana Football Association, Sudan Football Association. The CC two in associations in na. Yes, na Cairo 6 October, which is and BBSC. Na touch and say conflict of interest regarding your dual role as Ghana Football Association Executive Council member and Sudan football team head coach. Dual role, they say. Or yeah, ejuma mienu what I say or your coach not also executive member ye ne Ghana ebo into me ambassador almost dear sir it has come to our attention and just obi no report to it has come to our attention that you are currently holding two significant positions. Number one, member of the Ghana Football Association GFA Executive Council, and number two, head coach of Sudan national football team. As you already know, Ghana and Sudan are in the same pool for the upcoming qualifiers, the competition. The two teams are set to face each other on 11th and 14th October 2024, respectively. And your dual roles creates an apparent conflict of interest. This situation is contrary to the CAF status and FIFA code. Yes, status and FIFA code of ethics. For that reason, and to preserve the integrity of the AFCON qualifiers, I urge you to take immediate action to resolve this conflict of interest. Including at a minimum, temporarily stepping down. Into an option, minimum.
Sure.
Yes, to me, and yes, I think so temporarily stepping down from one of the two rules until conclusion of the competition. I kindly request you to provide CAF with written confirmation and proof that you have taken the necessary steps to remedy the situation on or before Tuesday, 8 October 2024. Hana Omuse, I know power the work. Failure to do so will result in this matter being referred to the CAF disciplinary board. I appreciate your prompt attention to this important matter. Yours sincerely, Confederation Africani, the football. Confederation Africani, the football. About your friend Felix Majani, and I say opinion friend Felix Majani, or director of legal affairs, or no, and now all this same way about two. And Chibusa say Motia na James KWESI APPIAH was step aside on step on down on free suye obi empamono was step aside for respecter owo edema CAF Ghana any asanteman na no was step aside just to make sure say sa match we be so fefe ye koso na ye koso free Black Stars for Black Star players na nsia na Otuado ode the squad ababa tuja na players no only tuja no mo kire say ende any ochenye say players no bombarding na omo report to camp nka kanene de ka be say we aba be say we yimbae we aba we yimbae and so em say because of the importance of this very, very much in Intino. Plus, on the first day, now almost the house was full. Mr. Dominic, when I was Ghana,
Yeah.
Tubunayen, Yajani Kosovo.
Yeah. Over the weekend, Premier League in various leagues in the Europe, not a course. Now, I could to the squad or the deadline date for reporting to camp at home players, no, and that was ended latest by 4 and after by 2 p.m. Unless you have a specific or a particular problem, and you can need to communicate it as soon as possible to the Ghana Football Association, PRO, and then the secretary. So maybe Otuado can react, and then they can help you assist, and then solve your problem. For you to be able to have a cancer. Because then initially, this match is very, very critical and very, very crucial to us as a country and to the Blaster players as a whole. Because draw cry against Sudan, it is way off the limit for us. You see how important it is. Actually, to go to the deadline, after a day we are there, because can't resume today. And then, from first training section, I said, it is anything to has to see in Ghana time. Then the is opened the media. I did if you're and it's not open to the media and when the closed doors training. But then after Sunday in Sunday somewhere from 2 p.m. we are Ghana time and a blaster players shot from bar and trying to make one I do Mohammed Kudus Eka Jordan Ayew Eka Fatawu Shaku Ebae. I think there are about 5 or 9 players now on the Sunday evening. And then now people, almost all the players are in camp. Almost camp is full now. By where we deadline now, coach the buy. Yense say will be to me and ban as a player will be doing. So far, we've not had that.
Okay.
Everybody is in camp. 4:30, automatic clean as yeah, almost training.
Okay.
And here you say camp I am. Let's mean how important this match is. The attitude today, first day training the crowd, attitude I shall say today. This match is very, very crucial and critical for us. Players' attitude also should because the coach is moving and demanding something from them. The attitude next issue. It was the first day training camp there, but you could see every single exercise has been attached with importance. The little with what amount people to should be there's so much of seriousness and importance attached to this particular match, and then training no match as him. We are only hoping for the best.
Okay.
Players now, this is one of the best squad we can assemble.
Okay. All right. Yo, Dominic, it has to be said ya we ni no Mr. I said bombardina like Katino. Na me say me to me as I Afrobioma because I say a move said that enye clear papa into Katino na some frame na me say ebeye okay. Ebusia na yegusua yakasa apa James KWESI APPIAH and step down ho ni asanso akasa fra that the arrival of the Black Stars players yegusu say if today happen to be the first time I would see and I say subscribe ya bombarding so be subscribe to this very channel we are na wa like na wa share na bibia ye kama na misanso ka mun say e Vasca freelancers omo no omo bo ye tudom na e dis adwumedie yi ebremo ya otemenka. Oh, okay. Dominic, Mpacho, Aquababium to the program. Now, Yegusuno na yebe jumpo real quick because of your time in Tino, yebe share in same minu aka. Yegu Black Stars so na ye sanso ekamo say yes sign Andrew Dede Ayew Morgan. And I said Andrew Morgan Dede Ayew when your new club. Na say mu okobo you could see a kind of France. And send the contract to the baby and no man signing the bium for some time ni why clubless Ghana for Krambono say Black Stars yem friend bium na no na ekrofo bebre di hu bobu meka ho wo ka ho ebinum so kire say we ebinum so kire say still an experience be hia no e hu hia say Dede Ayew onya new club my share club wenya no na Dominic ho
no hapa and Le Havre France club qualified for championship France Division 1 bar Premier last season. Now last season latter part of the season now and 1 man contract to the end of the season. Nobody about 19 games, actually over 5 or 7 goals at my club. Nka bad. Anka no or shade him said nka de umutuma and deal no permanent. But unfortunately, to whatever reason the technical team and the coach gave Dede, it couldn't work out that way for them. But you man no contract ni bi. But you terminating the contract. But unfortunately, the club is really suffering when it comes to the French League because all over 5-6 matches, win goals no so back. And last season, we had the modern ball by any assist or by any goals to share. Now, it is time when they give him the opportunity to be able to boost him squad at their mom. So that's how come the coach and the technical team called him back into the team. I'm going to contract from now to the end of the season. So we can say it's a whole season.
A whole season. Okay.
It's a whole long season contract. Yeah, and you're only hoping, sir, things will get better for Andrew Dede. At least when your club.
Yeah.
Exactly. How he was being of the last house and but we are only hoping that things will get better for Andrew Dede. We will congratulate him.
Okay.
We wish him well. We will say, but any motive in team, the friend, he can go there, give them more goals and give them more assists, and then play a role as he used to play for all of us, and that's what we are hoping for. Andrew Dede. We congratulate him and we wish him well.
Yeah, that's me, Brie. Last story I was holding and it's Nuamah. Now saying yes, content now we talked about Mohamed Kudus, the coach, or complaining say he plays to himself. Man, I say TRK multimedia, ya kawa ha ka. I know sometimes o can see me. I know beefy say what time player no, and yet tiny no. Ye ni more but ye ni share. What I say, body ye ni more ye ni share. And so big gina chain or ba kura gina chain. Na say obi bobo ba oni bobo. Ye ma menum gina chain na so obi wo field so. Na obobo no twetwe a. Ye fra bolu gbe meboa. Unkwa unya umpeso be passe upese obo unkwa na obo ombeka sa nti wo akobo professional a udiska kese wom na say utrauma u coach o make sa comment way about you it doesn't speak well of us. What I say na maka say ye players no a omufi Norgeland no omu na kodua Norgeland it looks like omu na no style of play no mitumi say Norgeland for no style of play no dia. They play to themselves. They
are giving those, especially those left-footed players now, how to hold on to the ball and dribble and take on players.
Yeah.
They are giving that free role to do as they please. To do as they please. But when you come back to Europe and you meet the coaches, that is what they want.
And yes, sir. So exactly.
They expect you to play like a team.
Yes, exactly.
That's what is going against them.
And as Nuamah ni coach honestly the abetuja say nenanse a omu siakan na obemu 75th minute or 76 minutes or 14 minutes
74th minute
about 14 minutes or say 16 minutes that period still our coach say he played to himself not on your ball on person be pass within just 16 minutes per on your boy no or say on your ball on person be pass it say ojama obo 17 minutes nka bia nka ba team no offer okay,
some of the players had that free role and that free opportunity to do what they want on the ball whenever they get the ball in their previous team. But coming into a new team, you need to understand the philosophy of the coach and how the coach wants you to operate.
Okay.
Unfortunately, Nuamah has become one of the best players they've had last season. But if you have last season, never this season now. Unfortunately, coaching realizes that's the determiner in the day.
Yeah.
Even though he played a very pivotal role last season, coming into this season, and Intina coach was sporting director of Lyon. He has followed him for long because he admired him. But I think because of that opportunity now, when anyone said the big men in the team like him and appreciate him, he's overconfidence. The coach, if the coach is there, they say, "Come on, as a mammy."
Yeah, of course.
So he told him the truth that my brother, you had 14 minutes of the game, and this is what you did, and that's why you're not getting the playing time.
Yeah,
play as a team or play with the team, and you get opportunity. It is fair. It's a fair comment. Obi our team ball as it's a fair comment. Even Messi in his peak, if he's on we are now the best.
Pass
his peak, he used to pass.
Yeah.
Pass now to yes, no more ball. Pass now to David Villa no more match go. What you say? So if only you want to be the best, you need to learn to play together as a unit, and you need to learn to play as a team.
Okay.
That's what you want. It is to me, yes, I'm a coach now. I think coming into this game, I expect him to prove a point to the coach, say, I'm a team player and I can play wherever you fix me. Indeed, I'm hoping he'll get a nod because he played well, even though coach Info said opportunity too much there. He played well. And looking at honest swiftness and flair no one against Sudan, we need those players who can cause more foul for us up front today. We need players who can hold on to the ball, who can take on players, 1 or 2 players to our advantage. I'm seeing in the Nuamah starting in this game. Really seeing the Nuamah starting in this game. There's no opportunity now. He should prove to everybody that he's a team player and he can play. That is all. We are just be
okay.
The truth have to be said, and that is the truth the coach said.
Okay. All right, yo, Ebusia, medasi bibri say me friend wa winyambre na utumi be cheche ni mumche. I think say that has been the cause of the Black Stars because most of the players now they like to play to themselves. I mean, Yaka na Yentain will be I mean, Kase in Sinema is the cause of the Black Star downfall, or Muhammad Kudus is the cause, or Kamaldeen is the cause. But most of the players say woman Sisiano omo into no say they play like a team. But I say why would you so but I say say we na wutie me say yes am na awa kakra and so me gidi say wosua ababie fim and then some my car no ya twetwe nkomo efa James KWESI APPIAH and step down ho ya twetwe nkomo fa yesahene and you are also wenya new club the rival of the Black Star players and in as Nuamah's issue into say me srewa say unsubscribe ye na say and then dey ka wutie ya bombodin na subscribe to this very channel uwie so ya na wa share me ne Dominic Obo oye juma ama GBC Radio Central na yetwetwe nkomai mi a medi jumede hu cha me medi ede ata bafo jamra utumi efreme the royakin na misanso ka mo say e Vasca freelancers omo no mbo ye chidom na edi sa jumede ebremo until say ye be hie mu bremu yesremu a monkopa mu ticket ento na lastly na yesi wure fi na kofa yemfa omo the program line up bi ababe tudwa na program line up no omo de betudwa na ma menhwe me say we have see a program lineup. All right. Okay. See program no fire go to team program outline no. From 6th Sunday to 7th Monday. All right. 7th no Monday no for okay.
Yeah.
Go on.
Sunday no is the arrival of the players. 7th end by 2 p.m. They expect all the players to arrive in camp.
Okay.
By 4:30, training and that training will be open to the media. So we have questions we will be able to meet Bisa. Coach and the players will be available to answer those questions. But Ochina Tuesday, this is how the schedule is going to be. And I come shake up kakra, normal drama home. Be something small just to keep the muscles in shape. At a that's when they will do the training and kasa. But it will be behind closed doors. So not be open to the media. We are Wednesday and a panas or mobile try match B and a particular now for this rest. Any match the one. Now prepare.
Okay.
Wednesday, then probably that's what will happen. And then it's planned by them as to the time on one born and one better whatever to be
okay.
So that is on planner or use Then on the 10th,
10th, and you say in my day near 11th, I see then on my changing the 10th. Hello. I'm say Dominic ne line no article and as will be a friend no. Yo, you don't see her say hello, Waba.
Yeah, no hapa.
Yeah. Into no na me say my day no 11th. But
11th, yeah, and
we see then on my 10th.
Wrong communicate, a date.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Me that say match time no into no you don't see her say. Ebusia you be share another time when it's for Yankopon and bye bye.